In this video, I'm going to show you how fun and simple it is to create a Discord bot. And you may think, why would I want to do that? But you could have it reply to certain messages, certain time zones, certain keywords. You can have it do all sorts of things, or even respond on a daily or hourly basis to make it exciting. Every day, 100 days of code, it could notify you. It could check your GitHub account. And if you haven't done your 100 days of code for today, it could respond. There's a whole world of ideas that you can do. In this example, we're going to have the bot respond to the word secret, and let me show you. So if I type a message, this is a test message for my YouTube video, nothing happens. But if I type, this message has a secret message in it, the bot responds with, you found a secret Easter egg. And you can have it do whatever you want. You can get it to send a message to a different channel, to a DM to somebody, to even save some statistics in a database. So later on, when a certain amount is reached, it could reply or say, you've reached this next rank, or add a role to that user, give them a different badge. There's so many things that you can do. If you head over to the GitHub project where the team is working on this bot, you will see that we've added time zone features, we've added badge features, and we're really keen to get your ideas and your input on the project. So come over to our Discord, link is in the description below. Let's chat between videos, between live streams. Let's learn and build open source projects together. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit subscribe below and hit the bell button to get notified every time I release a new video or go live. And if you think this video is interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is create a folder, and then we're going to navigate into that folder, and we're going to initialize it with npm. And we'll take all the default values, and we can always change those in the package.json later on. Next thing we want to do is we want to install and save to our production discord.js. That's the bot that allows us to communicate with Discord. What you'll also need to do is get a Discord token so you can connect it, so your bot has access to your server and so it can write into the server. Discord has great documentation on this. I'll leave a link below so you can go and get your token for your Discord channel. And keep this private, do not share this with anybody. Let's make this project in Typescript, and you'll see it looks very similar to JavaScript. So let's save it. We'll save it to the dev dependencies because it will get built as a JavaScript project. Let's initialize this Typescript project by doing npx, so it will look in the node modules directory for the command. I haven't got this installed globally, and now you will see it's created a config file for us with all the defaults, and you can go in and change these. So next, let's open package.json and add in the various commands that we need. So in package.json, I now have a build command which just runs the TypeScript command, tsc. I don't need to prepend it with npx in here because it will look in there by default because it's the package.json file. And then for starting it in production mode, I would want to run nodedistindex.js. For production, it will be npm start, and you can see it runs a JavaScript file. In development mode, I want it to run the build command and then run the JavaScript file. So let's build this bot, and you're going to see how straightforward and how fun it is. The first thing we want to do is import the client from Discord. Then create a client variable, it's a constant, and we'll create the client object. And next we can say on. So on every message, this will happen. So if I do a console log, get some feedback sooner, we'll say message.content. And then the next thing we need to do is get it to log into our Discord server. As I mentioned before, you'll need a Discord token. I put my Discord token in an environment variable so it doesn't accidentally get committed to the project or displayed on screen. Now, if I start the bot locally, I type something, in the Discord channel, this is a test message for my YouTube video. Hit enter. You'll see in the console log down here, behind my head, if I move out of the way, that the messages come through on the console. So we know the bot has connected to Discord and we know it's listening for every message. So the next thing we want to do, let's make this more interesting and let's let it check and search for the message. So what we can do, we can say if message content includes, I don't know, a string, let's say the string secret, and we want it to reply this time, not just console log, let's make a reply. Get a new object, which is an embedded message, and then we'll set the title, say you found a secret, and then we'll just return that to the channel that we're currently in, and we'll send the reply. If I save that, and again, I run the same command, npm run start local. I do have my environment variables in an sh file as an export, rather than me exporting it in the terminal here, because then you'll get to see it again in the video. As long as your token's in an environment variable, that will work fine. So now that's done, if I write another message, and say, this is another message for my YouTube video, nothing will happen because it's looking for the word secret. And if I write, this is a secret message for my YouTube channel, and hit enter, you will see now it's you found a secret. So it actually replied. And you can put images in the reply, you can put links, you can put footers, you can put description, you can add fields. There's a lot of things you can do with this. But I just wanted to show you how fun and straightforward it is to add a bot to your Discord. You could even integrate your bot to a database so you can store data, or to GCP, AWS, or Azure where you've got natural processing language. So therefore it can try and understand the intent of what people are saying, a bit like an Alexa skill or a Google Home. There is so much you can do with this. It's actually really exciting. Let me know in the comments below what projects you would build with a Discord bot. And don't forget to head over to our Discord channel. And we do have an organization where you're all welcome to join. We love adding people to our organization, and you'll see that we've got various features and description of how to get started as well, and what environment variables you need. We've got a lot more because we do save it in a Firebase database for the real-time data. So therefore the UI that is in another project can read the data in real time as events happen. Any questions, any ideas, just raise an issue. Let's continue the discussion. We do have a project board of features that we're working on at the moment. Feel free to raise an idea, pick up a ticket. We've got a few good first issues, and we're more than happy to help you. We can even jump on a Discord call or jump on a live stream, and the wider community can help us all. See you all in the next video and the next live stream. Open source is for you.